Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. MOONBIX Airdrop. Claim your free $MBIX tokens starting November 4th. Are you ready for an exciting crypto opportunity? The MOONBIX MBIX Airdrop is finally here, and it's your chance to get free tokens from one of the most innovative blockchain projects on the market. If you're new to crypto or a seasoned enthusiast, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the airdrop, from how it works to how you can participate and make the most of it. What is MOONBIX? MOONBIX is a next-gen blockchain platform designed to revolutionize digital transactions. Its goal is to provide seamless, fast, and secure transfers while building a vibrant community around its ecosystem. With $MBIX as its native token, MOONBIX aims to create a strong foundation for its users and reward early supporters with exciting opportunities like this airdrop. Recently, news of the snapshot date for the MOONBIX airdrop was leaked, sparking massive excitement in the crypto world. This airdrop isn't just a giveaway. It's a way for the MOONBIX team to show appreciation to users, build awareness, and strengthen their growing community. What is the MOONBIX airdrop, and why is it important? The MOONBIX airdrop is a free distribution of $MBIX tokens to eligible Binance users. Hosted by Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, the airdrop ensures widespread participation and smooth distribution. Here's why it's exciting. Free tokens, no purchase is required. All you need is to meet the eligibility criteria. Community growth, airdrops reward loyal users and attract new ones, helping projects gain traction. Potential value, while free now, $MBIX tokens could increase in value as MOONBIX grows. The airdrop operates through a snapshot, a process that records user holdings at a specific date and time. To qualify, you'll need to have Binance-supported assets in your account when the snapshot is taken. Airdrop timeline and key dates. The MOONBIX airdrop runs from October to November 2024, but the most crucial date to remember is snapshot date, November 4th, 2024, at midnight UTC. This is the moment when Binance records eligible user holdings. To ensure you qualify, make sure your account meets the requirements before this date. The exact distribution of $MBIX tokens will begin shortly after, but it may take some time to process. Who is eligible for the MOONBIX airdrop? To participate, you'll need to meet these criteria. Binance account. You must have an active Binance account. If you don't already have one, create it now and complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process. Supported assets. Hold eligible tokens in your Binance wallet. These are assets that MOONBIX and Binance have approved for the airdrop. Keep an eye on Binance announcements for the full list. Snapshot ready. Make sure your holdings are in place by midnight UTC on November 4th, 2024. How to join the MOONBIX airdrop. Here's a step-by-step guide to participating. Create or log into Binance. Ensure your Binance account is active and verified. Prepare your wallet. Deposit the required Binance-supported tokens before the snapshot date. Check eligibility. Stay updated with Binance announcements. Visit your account's airdrop section to confirm if you qualify. Sit back and wait. After the snapshot, Binance will process the airdrop and deposit the $MBIX tokens into your account. Earn more with MOONBIX's exclusive game. MOONBIX isn't just about holding tokens, it's also about having fun while earning rewards. Their points-based game adds a layer of excitement to the airdrop. Here's how it works. Daily check-ins. Log into the game daily to collect points. Space adventure game. Control a spaceship and collect yellow stones, gifts, and other valuable items. Complete tasks. Earn extra points by completing specific tasks. Invite friends. Share the game with friends and earn a percentage of the points they collect. This game is accessible through the Binance MOONBIX Telegram bot, making it easy to join the fun. What happens after the snapshot? Once the snapshot is complete on November 4th, Binance will start processing the airdrop. Here's what you can do. Monitor your account. Check your Binance wallet for $MBX tokens once the distribution begins. Decide your next move. After receiving your tokens, you can hold them. Many users prefer to keep their tokens for potential value growth as MOONBIX expands. Trade them. Use the Binance platform to exchange $MBX for other assets. Why should you participate? The MOONBIX Airdrop is more than just free tokens. It's a chance to be part of a growing blockchain community. Here's why it's worth your time. Risk-free rewards. You don't need to spend money to participate. Early bird advantage. Getting in early gives you access to $MBX before the project gains more traction. Fun and engaging. With the points-based game, earning tokens is both rewarding and entertaining.